Hello everyone! Would you like some secrets of how you can earn more than $20,000 a month? In this short video, I will introduce you to my favorite e-commerce platform. It is as easy to use as possible, which I have been working with for over 5 years. Watch this video to find out a few life hacks that few people know about. Look carefully, we are starting.
Hello! Sellfy is an affordable and beautiful store for selling digital products to an established audience. I recommend this service to absolutely everyone. From ebooks to design materials, the benefit of selling digital goods online with products like Sellfy is that most of the overhead that comes with creating such a product is the time you spend creating it. After that, you are tasked with promoting your work, getting the word out, and showing people that it's worth buying. Find out everything you need to know in this Sellfy review. While you can find free ways to do this marketing aspect is much easier said than done. Consider the cost of building a digital e-commerce website, finding a network of people to buy from you, and a guest blog post to expand access to the right people. All of these takes time and money, and you have a responsibility to burn yourself out if you don't have the necessary tools to do it all. What if you had a simple tool to quickly turn a standard website or social media channel into an online store, while at the same time sharing your digital products with a large network of users already looking for content like yours? This tool will be Sellfy, and at first glance, it has some Kickstarter impression with its interface, where you can create your own store on the Sellfy platform, sell your products to thousands on the web, and also be able to publish buttons on your website. While this service doesn't exactly cut the time or money you spend building your website, it can make your e-commerce process a little easier. This is very tempting for us, so join us as we take a closer look at what Sellfy has to offer. For this review, we decided that it would be prudent to test selling a digital product that we are familiar with. As such, we took a strong look at Sellfy's features by downloading and posting the e-commerce platform guide to building a successful online store. It's worth noting that Sellfy serves sellers, project assets, ebooks, videos and films, audio files, software, any other digital elements you have. I see the main benefit of switching from Sellfy to the fact that you can have a small store up and running within minutes. You don't need to stress that you're building your own site, and you can upload 2 GB per file and use unlimited bandwidth. In short, you can forget about hosting. Customizable product pages provide a preview of your products, and the showcase looks beautiful without much need for design. Sellfy also offers a lot of flexibility, as you can use it with any CMS or just sell on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or any other social media channel. And with their new WYSIWYG editor, merchants can now customize their store's design and look to match their existing brand. All storefronts are optimized for the mobile world, and it allows you to choose Buy Now buttons and widgets and implement them on your own website. And as a great advocate of automating as many processes as possible, I've always loved Zapier. Sellfy also has a Zapier integration that allows you to connect to 750 applications in the Zapier database and streamline the sales process through automation. Sellfy prices. Sellfy pricing is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, you are presented with a wonderful way to sell your digital assets. Basic. Pay $29 per month. Features include unlimited products, store customization, discount codes, custom from zero. Pro. Pay $59 per month for all core features plus 10,000 email credits and product upsell. Pro Plus. Pay $129 per month for all Pro features plus 50,000 email credits, priority support, and free migration. There is also a free 14-day trial, and new buys can start cheap with the basic plan. You will also get 34% discount on annual plans. Sellfy support. The first support area that is visible on the Sellfy side is the FAQ section. It helps in pre-sales questions, but that's about it. It is a simple tool, so the Sellfy documentation is only 30 items or so. It's easy to find, and you don't have to worry about getting overloaded. The only way to contact the support team directly is via email, so there is no phone support, but you can get to the front of the line with the paid plan. Together with blog, Facebook, and Twitter accounts, you have quite a few places to learn about the system and contact support. Why should you use Sellfy? We recommend Sellfy for people selling more than 5 products. The free trial is more than enough to try the water. Sellfy seems to be best for merchants with large digital libraries who need additional discounting, PDF stamping, and analytics tools.